Hi guys! So we're now going to be learning about Canadian money. Now Miss Drought is going to be learning with you because I am not from Canada and I've still yet to learn about my coins. So we are going to learn together and I'm very excited. Cents and dollars. Now cents is a small amount of currency. Now even though it's a bigger number, so we need 100 cents to equal $1 or 1 loonie. So there are 100 cents in 1 loonie. Kind of like when we're learning about centimeters and meters, there's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Let's first of all learn about the coins and what value they are. Now the first coin we're going to learn about is actually a coin that doesn't exist anymore. It's called a penny and it's worth 1 cent. Now they kind of got rid of it because cents are already not worth very much. So when you have 1 cent, you couldn't really buy anything with it. So although we don't have it in Canada anymore, they actually still have it in the US. So 1 cent is called a penny. The next coin is a nickel. Now a nickel is worth 5 cents. And a nickel looks like this. Now if you sometimes get confused, it is a silver coin, but you can always look on it because on the actual coin, it tells you 5 cents. Now this is what Miss Drought looks at because she doesn't know her Canadian coins yet. So you can always look on the coin and it will tell you. So this one is worth 5 cents and it usually has a beaver on it. The next coin is a dime. Now a dime is worth 10 cents. That is also silver and it looks like this. So it's worth 10 cents and it will have a boat on it. Again, if you can't remember what it looks like, it tells you on the coin that it's worth 10 cents. So if I had 2 nickels, that would equal 1 dime because 5 and 5 equals 10. So 2 nickels equal 1 dime. The next coin is quarters and it's worth 25 cents. Now it has a big deer on it with huge antlers, so it's pretty hard to miss. So it's worth 25 cents. And the reason why it's called a quarter, quarters are split up into 4. And if we split up $1 into 4, it equals 25 cents. So we need 4 quarters to equal $1. Now the next coin that we have is actually worth $1. So remember when I said dollars are worth more than cents? You need to have 100 cents to get to $1. Does anyone know what we call a $1 coin in Canada? That's right, it's called a loonie. And it looks like this. And it's kind of like bronzy gold. You will notice it because it's a different colour to cents. And it has a duck on. Again, if you don't remember this, it actually says $1 on the coin. Can you guess what the next coin I'm going to tell you about is? It's worth $2. And it's called a toonie. It's quite easy to remember because toonie is just $2. Now this is a little bit different from the other coins because it's gold in the middle and it's silver on the outside and the picture is of a bear. So this is worth $2. So it would be worth 2 loonies. Again, you can cheat by looking on the coin and it will tell you $2. So these are all the coins that you will find in Canada. Now Canada has different coins to coins that you'd find in the US, in Australia or England because they all have their own currency and that means that they all have different money that they pay with. So if I were to go to Australia or to England, I would need to change my money into Australian money or English money. Because we live in Canada, it's very important that we learn the Canadian coins. So thank you so much for learning about Canadian coins with me. I feel like I know a lot more too. Bye guys!